Thank you for the support, moral support. No, this one's bad. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and spending this time with me today. I'm excited to have the second part of this video and the conclusion of what happened, and I hope you enjoy this ride that we took together. I apologize in advance for some of the filming things. We're still trying to figure out some of the settings on my camera that we want. We meaning my husband and myself. So some things might look a little different, but we're trying to work out the kinks, so just be patient with us. Also, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, because that helps my channel grow, and you know, each subscriber just gives me some motivation to keep going. I mean, I'll do this anyway, whether they're subscribers or not, but I love some motivation from you guys. Also, say hi to me in the comments. Just hearts. Hi. Just anything. I would love to hear from you and who's watching my videos. And if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. And if you have any ideas or something you'd like me to try, put it in the comments, because, I mean, can't hurt. And with that, let's get started with part 2. Okay, I have redone my hair. I put this in at 10 a.m. And this is the modified version. I took it down to about a 1 inch and made it squishier. So it's a little bit more comfortable than the last one I made. And I've had it in for, doing math, 7 hours. Almost 8 hours, because it's evening time. It's about dinner time. I'm in the process of making it, but I wanted to hurry and shoot this once my husband got home. So I was like, take the kids. I gotta hurry and take out my hair. It's been like this all day and I just want my hair to be done. So we're gonna hurry and take this out and see what we get. And if we like it, then I'll keep it this way. If not, then I might tweak this thing. Woo! Pulling hairs. Might tweak it again. Whoa. This was holding up really well. I barely had my hair damp. Like, it was almost 100% dry when I started this. And then, let's see if you can see me. I'll scoot back a little bit more. If I like it, I'll keep it. If I don't like it, then, well, I'll modify it again. Or just give up hope. Because this is just, I'd rather just curl my hair with heat at this point. I mean, maybe if it was comfortable enough to sleep in again, I might try that. But I don't know. I don't think it's really worth it. And there's still a few little down spots. Might just be the material that I'm using as well. Woo! It feels curly. Can't really tell on my little viewer thing, but let me see. I have a mirror right here. Seems floofy. Yeah, it's curlier than last time. I like it better, for sure. And I like that the hair is going in 2 different directions. Like, look at that piece. Like, can you see that piece? Look how pretty. This is way better. This is so much better. This side kind of flopped a little bit because it fell out. But if it stayed tighter, I think it would have looked as good as this side. Also, I think this side of my hair takes curl better. Or maybe I just wound it better. I don't know. But it looks so much better. I'm going to use my flat iron and fix some of these pieces at the top like I normally would, and maybe I'll curl some of these pieces just a little bit more. Okay, now I'm going to recurl this part. I think there's something funny going on in my roots up here. It just looks like it needs a little more volume or something right here. Let's see, which way are you going? You don't know which way you're going. Okay. Well, now that I've tousled my hair, I think I'll keep it as is for the rest of the evening. And I enjoy it, but there's also easier, faster ways to get curls like this. I mean, if I was going to bed with like damp hair, I think this would be a possibility because my hair doesn't enjoy going to bed damp. I wake up and it's like, I don't even recognize the shapes that it makes. It's so bad. So something like this might be a good answer for those times where I'm in a pinch and I need my hair to be controlled for the morning. But other than that, I'd rather just stick with this. I curl my hair with a flat iron. I a curling iron because it takes too long and it doesn't hold. But with a flat iron, for some reason, it holds and it looks good. And I enjoy it. And it's so fast. I can do my hair in less than 10 minutes. So nice. So, anyway, I might do more modifications to this. Give it one more go. And I'll check back you later. Alright. Coming at you with try number 3. So, my second try was a lot more successful, but for my third try, I have remade these. I made them even smaller and squishier because I have seen people use like bathrobe ties to do their hair kind of like how I'm doing it, and it's turned out a lot better, and I think it's just because it's more absorbent. So if these don't work, I'm determined to get heatless curls that I like, and I might try some terry cloth, which is kind of like a towel, if for those of you who don't know what kind of fabric I'm talking about. So I'll try terry cloth, and maybe I just am not a heatless wave girl. I don't know. Maybe it's just I like the convenience of a flat iron or something. But anyway, I made 2 of them. They're a little bit shorter than the last ones I made, but I'll make do with them. I still have my 2 scrunchies. Right here. My desk is... I just barely finished making these 2, so they're still stuck kind of everywhere. I just wanted to get them in my hair and try them out. And I'm also learning less is more with the water. So let's get started on try number 3 and hope for the best. Now, I haven't decided how I'm going to put 2 of them in my hair, but I'll make it work somehow. I think I'm sufficiently damp. One for the top layer, one for the bottom. I wonder how that would be. Should we try that? So I'm going to separate out my hair. Oh, nope. Okay. Maybe I'll need more things than that. And then this one's going to start in the center. I'm going to go get a clip and I'll be right back. Just realized I don't have another clip. So I don't know if you can see what I'm doing, but I'm just kind of clipping this in to the middle of my hair. Ugh! It'll stay. Now I'm going to do this part first. I already like this kind of a little bit better because I feel like I can get closer to the roots, which has been my big thing about this whole time. It's just not knowing or hoping that my roots kind of get a little bit of lift. I'm going to redo this one. I can't do it. I have to redo it. Hey, that's already looking so much better. Do you see some of this? That's way better than last time I did this. Wow. All right, I'm excited. All right. Well, I will use one scrunchie for these ones. Ooh, little tight on the temples. Woo-hoo-hoo. There we go. And one scrunchie for these ones. Well, this is what I'm going to be rocking this summer. At least my hair is up. Oh, this is a little tight. Alright, well, I mean, maybe I'll have more success drying if it's drying faster if it's down, but at least this way it's not slapping me in the face. But this already does feel more comfortable. Here, you can see what I did. Oh, let's see if you can see what I did in the back. There's the back. Tell me how it looks. I will keep this up until it's dry, and then I'll let you know how it went and keep you posted. Okay, it's been about 3 hours since I did this. Because I didn't use as much water, it dried much faster, you know, common sense. And let's take it out and see what happened. I'm so anxious to get this out of my hair. This is actually a lot more comfortable than just having a single big one in your hair. So I'm happy about that. Did any of you ever use those foam curlers growing up? You know, the ones that are, you know, foam and then they have a plastic part that goes through. And the plastic part would go over after you'd roll it up and do that. I remember my hair took those really well, and I'd have this super long hair and it'd bounce it up to, you know, about that short. It was a lot of fun. Some parts still feel a little damp, but I think it'll be fine. Oh yeah, it's already way curlier than the other ones. Wow. All right. All right. I could get behind this. And because it's more comfortable, I probably could sleep in it better too if I want to do overnight curls. Okay. I might use this again. I love this side. I mean, I can't really see it in the viewfinder. Let's see my mirror. Look in my mirror. Oh yeah. That's way better. I will have newer dimensions for these ones in the description because I modified the last ones and then I changed them up again for these ones. So I'll have those in the description box for you. If you have hair like mine, I would recommend almost making them even longer than what I did. But if your hair's shorter, then you can keep this length. Let's part it. Feels good to have it on my hair. All right. What do we think? What do you think? Do you see that? Like, look at those pretty curls. Look at that. All right. So, yep, these are the ones I'm using. And that only took 3 hours compared to my try number 2. I think I said 10 hours. And guess what? They fell out within an hour. And hopefully these don't. I'll keep you updated on that too. But so far, like, I like them. That was pretty easy. And if I did those overnight, that'd be so nice. So, all right. Sold. This is the conclusion of this video. Bravo.